WWF. Give her a big round of applause. Yeah. 9th place goes to Shri Akshita Sajja. Akshita Sajja. Akshita Sajja. I think she is not there. And 8th place goes to Ritika Kotia from Haryana, who scored 4 points. From Haryana. Are you there? 7th place goes to Ashi Upadhyay from Rajasthan. Give her a big round of applause. This is Ashi Upadhyay from Rajasthan. Give her a big round of applause. She scored 4 points. 6th place goes to Shuddha Somnath.
Name, repeat please.
Ritika. Ritika Kotia. 8th place. Ashi Upadhyay. Ashi. Yeah. This is Ashi Upadhyay from Rajasthan. Give her a big round of applause. 6th place goes to Shuddha Somnath from Karnataka. This is Siddha Somnath from Karnataka. 5th place goes to Pritikayam from Tamil Nadu, Hosur Chess Academy, who also scored 4.5 points. Give her a big round of applause. Pritikayam. 4th place goes to Tejasvi R from Tamil Nadu, who also scored 4.5 points. Tejasvi R. 3rd place goes to Sayuri Nayak from Goa. Got 5 points. Give her a big round of applause. This is Sayuri Nayak. Second place in under 9 girls category goes to Jannavi Sri Lalita from Telangana. And the first place in this category goes to Mohita V from Andhra Pradesh. Give her a big round of applause. She scored 5 points. Thank you, sir. Now, under 9 category boys, may I request Raja Ravishekar sir to give the next set of prizes. Under 9 boys category, 10th place goes to Ayush Yajman, a little boy from Karnataka, and national champion, I think the bronze winner, Ayush Yajman from Karnataka. 9th place goes to Sarvesh Hinduja from Tamil Nadu. 8th place goes to little boy from Karnataka again, Shubh Kapoor, who scored 5 points. Seventh place goes to Arhan Chetan Anand from Chess Shoots again. He also scored 5 points. Give him a big round of applause. 6th place goes to Avi Bharadwaj, Delhi. Avi Bharadwaj from Delhi. He scored 5 points. Avi Bharadwaj. Siddharth Bhatt from Karnataka. 5th place. Siddharth Bhatt. 5th place. 4th place goes to Dhanush Ram. Again from Genius Chess School. Dhanush Ram. He scored 5.5 points. 3rd place goes to Sahoda Basak from West Bengal. Give him a big round of applause. He flied all the way from West Bengal to Karnataka to play this tournament. His rating is 1590 and scored 9 points. 2nd place goes to Roshan Yes from Tamil Nadu again, and he also scored 6 points. 1st place in under 9 boys category goes to Shikhar from Telangana. Give him a big round of applause. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Praveen sir to give the next set of prizes. Under 7 girls section, 10th place goes to Jesslyn Janissa from Karnataka. Ninth place goes to Ananya Shaki from Karnataka again. from Pramod Chess Academy, Gulbarga. Give her a big round of applause. This is Ananya Shaki. 8th place goes to Malela Shagi. She also got 2 points. Malela. 7th place goes to Pradiksha. He is collecting on behalf of Malela. 7th place goes to Pradiksha. 7th place goes to Pradiksha, the little girl jumping in the dais. Give her a big round of applause. This is Pradiksha from Chess Square. 6th place goes to Bhumika Singh from Chess Shoots. Yeah, give her a big round of applause. 5th place goes to Tanishka Jain. Tanishka Jain from Mandya. She scored 3 points. 4th place goes to Ishani HR, Chess Square. 3rd place goes to Diksha S from Tamil Nadu. Diksha S from Tamil Nadu. 2nd place goes to Shiana Malya from Karnataka again. She scored 3.5 points. Give her a big round of applause. Please note, the next prize, the winner of under 7 girls scored 5 points. Under 7 girls scored 5 points. Vaishnavi R. Rao. Give her a big round of applause. Scoring 5 points in the tough tournament, it's not easy. Give her a big round of applause. This is Vaishnavi Rao. She is from Chess Shoots. Thank you, sir. Now may I request our President Anand sir to give the next set of prizes. Under 7 boys. 10th place goes to Sarthak Anand Devadiga from Karnataka. Anand sir. Sarthak Anand Devadiga from Karnataka scored 4 points. 9th place goes to Sachit Katti from Bangalore, who also scored 4 points. Sachit Katti. Give him a big round of applause. 8th place goes to Mitul KH from Karnataka. Mitul. 7th place goes to Amog Reddy from Innovators Chess Academy. Give him a big round of applause. This little boy started chess not even 1 year. Okay, it's how mostly 6 to 7 months he's playing well. Abhyuday Santosh. The 6th place goes to Abhyuday Santosh from Karnataka, whose rating is 1158 and scored 4.5 points. Abhyuday, I think he's not there. 5th place goes to Inamdar Harish from Maharashtra. 4.5 points. Inamdar. 4th place goes to Tanishai Kauru from Andhra Pradesh, who also scored 4.5 points. 3rd place goes to Rutvik Srikanth from Karnataka, who scored 5 points. Give him a big round of applause. This is Rutvik Srikanth. 2nd place goes to Yash Abhijit Patel, again from Karnataka. He also scored 5 points. Our winner of under 7 boys category, Apur Kamble from Bangalore. Apur Kamble. Give him a big round of applause. He scored 5 points. Thank you. Now we have a special category. I request Raja Ravishekar sir to give the next prizes along with Dr. Subbaya. It's very important category. Visually challenged group. 5th place goes to Kumar Raja CS from Andhra Pradesh. Give him a big round of applause. He is 5th place from Andhra Pradesh. Kumar Raja. Yeah, please, somebody kindly help them. Volunteers, kindly help the player to come to the dais, please. This is Kumar Raja from Andhra Pradesh, who scored 5 points. Give him a big round of applause. And the fourth place goes to Vignesh R from Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Vignesh R from Tamil Nadu. He also scored 5 points. Third place goes to Samant Milind from Maharashtra, who scored 6.5 points. Samant Milind from Maharashtra. Second place goes to Kishan Ganguly. Please welcome Kishan Ganguly, a great player from Indian soil who represented India for the World Championship. Please welcome Kishan Ganguly, whose rating is 2027 and scored 6.5 points, and he carry home rupees 2,500. I request all the cash prize winners kindly encash your token in the right side of the dais. Yeah. You need to sign the voucher and exchange the cash. And the first place goes to Venkata Reddy from Andhra Pradesh, who scored 6.5 points, and he takes home rupees 3,000 cash prize. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Dr. B. Subbaya to give the next prizes. Best woman, that is above 18 category. Fifth place goes to Gayatri from Karnataka, scored 4 points. Gayatri. Fourth place goes to Sweta Goswami from Karnataka again. Bangalore Chess Academy. This is Gayatri from Karnataka. Fourth place goes to Sweta Goswami from Bangalore Chess Academy. Third place goes to Hema Ram Kumar from Doddaballapur Sports. Hema Ram Kumar. This is Hema Ram Kumar. Please welcome. Second place goes to Sarumati from Tamil Nadu, Hosur Chess Academy. And this is along with the rupees 2,000 as a cash prize. This is Sarumati from Tamil Nadu, Hosur Chess Academy. And the first place in this category goes to Nandini Saripalli from Goa. He scored 6 points. Nandini Saripalli from Goa, who scored 6 points. And she carry home rupees 3,000 as a cash prize. Thank you, sir. I request our President Anand sir to give the next prizes. The category is Best Veteran. Sir, because of you we are here today. We respect you, all the veterans who nurtured and what? All. Because of you we are here. Thank you very much. And the fifth place goes to Kumtekar Deepak from Maharashtra. Scored 6 points. Please come to the desk, Kumtekar. Fourth place, Venugopal from Kerala. Yeah, the young man is running towards the dais. Is Kumtekar Deepak from Maharashtra. This is Kumtekar Deepak, a young man from Maharashtra. The next prize, fourth place goes to Venugopal from Kerala, and he is also a FIDE arbiter. Yeah, he also scored 6 points. Third place goes to the legend of Karnataka, Sridharan R. He also scored 6 points. Sridharan. Sridharan R. Please come to the dais. There is a Sridharan R from Karnataka and whose rating is 1914. He scored 6 points. Please welcome. There is Sridharan R. Give him a big round of applause. Second place goes to Shamba Murthy from ILP, Andhra Pradesh. Shamba Murthy, are you here? Shamba Murthy. And first place goes to Srinivasa Rao from Telangana. Shamba Murthy? Yeah. Please welcome Shamba Murthy from Andhra Pradesh. And he scored 6 in this tournament. He takes home rupees 2,500 as a cash prize. Give him a big round of applause. This is Shamba Murthy from Andhra Pradesh. Welcome. Srinivas Rao GV. The first place in this category goes to Srinivas GV. Yeah. Okay, I think he's not there. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Bharat Kumar sir to give the next prizes. Now this is the rating category below 1100 and unrated. The 10th place goes to Smriti Bharadwaj from Karnataka, chess shoots. She scored 5.5 points and she takes home rupees 2,500. Smriti Bharadwaj, give her a big round of applause. Quick. 9th place goes to Shravana Subramanian from Bangalore. This is Smriti. Smriti Prabhuraj from Karnataka. 9th place goes to Shravan Subramanian from Karnataka again. Shravan. Yeah. 8th place goes to Tarun BS from chess shoots. Tarun BS from chess shoots. Give him a big round of applause. This is Shravan. The 8th place goes to Tarun BS from chess shoots. Give him a big round of applause. And 7th place goes to Chandrika B from Hosur Chess Academy. Sixth place goes to Sitaram Avdapudi, scored 5.5 points. His probable rating is 1620. Give him a big round of applause. He scored 5.5 points. He met all 9 players rated and scored 5.5 points. Probable rating is 1620. Fifth place goes to Sujay BM from Karnataka again, from chess shoots. Sujay. Yes. And he takes home rupees 3,000 as a cash prize. Fourth place goes to Saumil Godke from Maharashtra, who scored 6 points. Give him a big round of applause. He carry home rupees 3,000 as a cash prize. Third place goes to Chetan Ram HR. Chetan Ram HR from Kadamba Chess Academy, Hassan. He got Chetan Ram. Chetan Ram. Bega barbeku. Chetan Ram, bega barbeku. Second place goes to Uttam from Andhra Pradesh. He also got 6 points and carry home rupees 5,000. Give him a big round of applause. Uttam. This is Uttam from Andhra Pradesh. And the winner of this category, Manoj Reddy from Andhra Pradesh. He takes home rupees 7,000 as a cash prize. Give him a big round of applause. Yeah. A cash counter is shifted from right hand side to in front of the dais. I request all the prize winners, kindly exchange your voucher in front of this dais. Counter is opened there. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. May I request President Ajay Singh to give away the next set of prizes. Rating category 1100 to 1399. 10th prize goes to Siddharth Vezo from Karnataka. Siddharth Vezo, give him a big round of applause. He takes home rupees 2,500 as a cash prize. 9th place goes to Chiranjan Kumar from Karnataka. Chiranjan Kumar KS from Karnataka. 8th place goes to Gautam Prasad from Kerala. I request all the players, kindly give a big round of applause to the players who are coming to get the prizes. 7th place goes to Arjun Rao from GCS. Arjun Rao from GCS. He takes home rupees 2,500. Sixth place goes to Dara Devadanam from Karnataka. A veteran player again, Dara Devadanam. I think he's not there. Fifth place goes to KR Bhatt from LIC. Give him a big round of applause. He takes home rupees 3,000 as a cash prize. Fourth place goes to Atul Desai. Dara Devadanam is here. Yeah. Dara Devadanam, coach, player, retired from Southwestern Railway. Dara Devadanam. Sixth place. Retired from Southwestern Railway and he's training many kids in North Karnataka. Our best coach, Dara Devadanam. Desai Atul. Yeah. Fourth place goes to Desai Atul and he takes home rupees 4,000 as a cash prize. Third place goes to Shishir B from Karnataka. Shishir B. Shishir. I think Shishir is not there. Second place goes to Arun Mahana from Orissa. Give him a big round of applause. This is Arun Mahana from Orissa. Scored 6 points and takes home rupees 6,000. First place in this category goes to Dev Karven from Hosur Chess Academy. He scored 6.5 points and takes home rupees 8,000 as a cash prize. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Praveen sir to give the next prizes. Rating category 1999 to 1700. 10th place goes to Aman Chandra from Bangalore, whose rating is 1815. Very serious player. And he represents Wipro, managing many techies there and managed the board as well and scored 7 points and take home rupees 3,000 cash prize. 9th place goes to Srikanth from Indian Air Force. Srikanth from Indian Air Force, who also scored 7 points. Srikanth? I think he's not there. And 8th place goes to Shreyas Hapse from Maharashtra, who also scored 7 points. Shreyas Hapse. 8th place goes to Alan Divyaraj from Tamil Nadu.